When you're building out your Amazon store, oftentimes you'll want to test different product ideas. One of the things we teach in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs is just how to do that. But how do you go about your packaging? How do you get small run packaging done so you can test money-making ideas? In this video, I'm going to show you. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce store, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions for me, comment below. I'll answer them personally. With that being said, let's get into it. How to get small runs of packaging made in Australia while testing products. So, backstory to that. One thing I advocate doing is if you've got an idea for a particular product to sell on Amazon, go and wholesale that product first. And as part and parcel of that, you can put that idea and multiple other ideas to the test. Indeed, we've got things like the Amazon Apprentice now, where we've got quite a few people going through that particular program, where the entire premise of that is wholesale first, then start private labeling, okay? And that's going insanely well. So given that that's what you're going to do, how can you then get small runs of packaging done so that you can test your ideas as well? Okay, so there's two ways of doing that, and I actually prefer the second way I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you two ways. So let's start with the first way that I would suggest doing it. I use Paco a lot for my packaging. Okay, super good. They've spoken at AOE conferences. They're a really great bunch of people. They are fairly expensive, I would say. However, their stuff is first rate, great quality. They'll do very small runs, like 10 for instance. You know, so if you just want something small doing, they can do it for you. Okay, super cool. The other one I've heard about is this one, Pack Queen. I have never actually used them. Okay, just to be super clear. I know people that have used them, have really good experiences with them, but I personally never have done. However, these sell packaging boxes for all sorts of different things. Oh, there. And so you could buy 10 of these and use it to put your product in as a packaging thing. And I think that would be A-okay, really good. Now, if you just did that, that'd be great. I think you'd be very happy with that. So either get Paco to do something for you. That's the first way. The second way, buy something from here, a pre-done box, and use that to send to your customers, okay? There is, however, a third way that you can do it, and that is to take this to a different level, and a pretty simple level as well. One thing that I do with my products, even the private label products I've got, is I do stickers. So I get stickers done. Typically I use Sticker Mule. There's lots of people like this though, but Sticker Mule are very good, and they will create a sticker as big or as small as you want it to be. And so what I do, instead of printing directly onto my packaging, like Paco would do for instance, which is very expensive to do in very small runs, instead I get a sticker done with what I would print on my packaging, and then I get a box, a plain box, and I put my sticker onto it. It makes it very reasonable to test ideas. And actually I still use that for larger things that I'm doing where I don't want to print directly onto a box. Instead, I just want to have a nice box, whether that's a white cardboard, nice quality cardboard, or grey, or whatever it may be, and I put my sticker onto it so that it personalizes that. There's a lot of good reasons for doing that as well, but they're not the subject for this particular thing. But you can get a lot of advantages on Amazon by doing that. Anyway, so that's what I would do, Laura, in that situation. who's saying some other things. Jamie Milne says the packaging place as well. Let's just get that one up. Anyone in Brisbane, they're very, very good and affordable. Let's just bring those guys up. The packaging place. Here we go. So these are good. Can design. Kathy says you can design stickers in Canva with photo of content. That also looks good. That's a great idea, Kathy. There you go. They look good. That looks great. Most people just do a shit job on packaging, and it's so easy to do something good, something better. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. Over 2,600 members and counting, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come and join us, of course, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description below. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.